I've been working as a probation officer, an adult probation officer. And I dealt with convicted felons on a day in, day out basis. They were not nice people. They did some pretty horrible things. And, we were all, hey, you kill, you die. Ultimately, that's what it's all about. Bottom line was, I still believed in capital punishment. I thought the penalty needed to fit the crime, right? Isn't that balance on some level? And one of the topics I had to teach on was capital punishment. I thought, I know so little about it. I got to be able to give that balanced approach, because here I am on this side. And so I started studying about capital punishment. And one of the first things I read was the Supreme Court decision in 1972 that actually, for a short period of time, abolished capital punishment. It was Vernon versus Georgia. And I read what then Supreme Court Justice Thurgood wrote in his opinion. And basically what he said was that if people knew the truth about capital punishment, they would never support it. This is 1972. What he said was, the death penalty is discriminatory on a number of levels. We run the risk of continuing racism. The death, and because the system is imperfect, he said, we run the risk of convicting and executing an innocent person. And then he finally said the third reason was that the stress of the system, the different nuances of the system, how the finality of a death sentence would cause so much havoc in the criminal justice system that it would cause it to burst at the seams. And when he wrote it, people thought he was a fool. Today, they're calling him a prophet. Because what have we learned? We know it's discriminatory. We know it's highly discriminatory. And the South is notorious. We know from research now and DNA and all the stuff that we found since 1973. How, as a police commissioner or somebody who works in law enforcement, how can you be against capital punishment? It's wrong. It's wrong on so many levels. Now, for me personally, my faith base is my rock. That's my stronghold. But there are so many other reasons why it's wrong. Even if you don't want to have faith, even if you don't want to believe, it's still wrong. We're human beings. We make mistakes.